This is the couples and family budget spreadsheet. Meet Alex and Jordan. Every paycheck, every shared bill, and each partner's own spending money, all in one calm file. One sentence ends most money arguments before they start. Who owes whom? To the penny. Here's the tour. Setup is 3 steps. Your names, what actually lands in the bank each month, $4,850 and $3,720, and how you split shared bills. This couple chose proportional to income. The dashboard is the whole month on one screen. Combined income, shared bills, savings rate, 6 live numbers in all. And right at the top, the sentence the spreadsheet is built around. Jordan pays Alex $786.73 this month. Monthly budget lines up planned against actual for every shared category and shades anything running over. Housing sits right on plan at $1,850, and the last 2 rows are personal, Alex's own budget and Jordan's. Bill split offers 4 methods: 50-50, proportional to income, a custom percentage, or a percentage per bill. Alex and Jordan chose proportional to income. Alex covers about 57%, Jordan the rest, automatically. This box is why the spreadsheet exists. It reads every shared bill and every logged expense, checks who actually paid, and nets it down to one number. Jordan pays Alex $786.73 this month. No mental math. No receipts across the table. Every shared purchase gets one row, what it was, who paid, whether it's split. This July, 8 entries so far. 1, a parking ticket, is marked in. It stays Alex's alone and never touches the settle up. Alex and Jordan each get a personal tab with their own agreed number. Alex has $329 left to enjoy this month. Jordan, $215. Spend it on anything. It was already agreed, so it's never an argument. Log every paycheck as it lands, and the monthly roll-up sorts itself out automatically. It even catches January, when Jordan's bi-weekly schedule quietly pays a 3rd check that year. For shared goals, each with a target, what's saved, and an arrival date worked out for you. The emergency fund is 41% there. The house down payment, 29%. Together, Alex and Jordan add $1,400 a month. The irregular costs, Christmas, car maintenance, birthday parties, get their own tab. 7 of them, adding up to $3,259 a year. Set aside $271 a month, and 2 are already fully funded. For debts, $26,600 total. Every extra dollar, $150 a month, piles onto the smallest balance, Jordan's store card, clearing it in about 7 months. Then that whole payment rolls onto the next debt. That's the snowball. Net worth pulls everything you own and owe into one number for each of you, and one for what's shared. Right now, $53,000 total, up from $44,800 last September. Watch the line climb. Once a month, this tab fills in last month's 3 numbers: money in, money out, and $4,290 kept. A 6-step agenda walks you through it. Celebrate a win, square up the settle up, decide one thing to change. 2 people versus a problem, never versus each other. And that's the couples and family budget. Both incomes, every shared bill, and one sentence that settles who owes whom, to the penny. Add the money meeting, and money stops being the thing you argue about. One-time purchase, free lifetime updates. Find it on Etsy, link in the description. Money talks, without the fight.